at the 70th South Filmfare Awards in association with the Kerala Tourism. Joining us right now, one of the biggest names of the industry, Anurag Kashyap. Sir, many thanks for speaking to Times. Now, I want to ask you, what excites you the most about the Filmfare Awards?
I'm here for the Filmfare South because I actually watch more South films than Hindi films.
Is this going to become one of those North-South divides, sir? You know, language
No,
barriers
I don't
apart.
have a language barrier divide, but I really enjoy the films they make in Kerala. I actually enjoy.
So yesterday at the filmmakers meet, someone said that Kerala films or like Malayalam films, dominate the industry like no other. Would you agree, given that, you're coming from a Bollywood background, you're here?
They're absolutely making the best films. Even their bad films are better than our Indian films.
Okay, alright, so a quick rapid fire with you. I'm going to ask you one question or one sentence and you respond with one question or one sentence. Your best film.
Best film is a very difficult question.
Okay.
Best film is a very difficult question. If you ask me, was in this January the best film that I saw?
Okay, recent best film you watched.
Kalam Kavach.
Okay. Dosa. Dosa.
Dosa. I like the IDC ka Bangalore Cup.
Okay. Bollywood.
Bollywood needs to revive.
Kerala.
Kerala is beautiful. Place, the people, the food, the toddy, beef parota.
Okay, my last question for life. Life.
Life is much better now. Life is great.
Alright, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for
Thank you
speaking to us on Times Now. Pranita Subhash joining us right now. Ma'am, thank you for speaking to Times Now. I want to ask you, you're performing at the film fairs. You've come a long, long way. How exciting has it been?
Very excited to be performing today. I'm a tad bit nervous as well. So let's see how it all goes.
Okay, a little glimpse, of course, for all of our viewers, if you could probably do us like one hook step or whatever it is that you're most excited to do.
I think there's viral, that's just wait for about an hour and you'll see my entire performance.
Okay, I have to ask you, of course, the most fun person you worked with in Sandalwood, if you could tell us.
Every hero has been fun to work with, whether it's Darshan sir, my first hero, or whether it's Shivana sir, who's absolutely a live wire on set. Every single person I've worked with.
Okay, alright, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Looking
much.
lovely. Have a lovely evening. And we're in God's own country, Kerala, where the 70th South Filmfare Awards are all set to kick off. And joining us right now is none other than Suhasini Maniratnam. Ma'am, many thanks for speaking to us. We spoke yesterday. Hello. Hi. Ma'am, may I first of all just compliment your outfit? I'm going to keep it very simple today. We're at the 70th Filmfare Awards. A lot of young talent that's, been nominated here today. How excited are you to be here?
I just want to spot talent because, in this OTT world, we don't even know what is happening in the other film industries. And we tend to see what is there, dropped. The algorithm does not let us choose what we want to see. So when you see the nominations here, we will exactly know. Yeah. We will always, these kind of things, kind of open the knowledge about the new films, new directors, and who are all actually doing well. So that way I think that's what I said. The winners are winners, but the people who are nominated are also very, very important because, we want to reach out to them.
Absolutely. Ma'am, we're going to play a very quick rapid fire with you. I'm just going to ask you one sentence or one word and you can respond in one sentence or one word. The secret to your smile. We've always seen you smiling.
Because my grandfather named me Suhasini, I have no other choice. I have to smile. I have no other choice.
Okay. The best thing about Mani Ratnam, sir?
His patience and his sense of romance. He's romantic 24/7.
One word for the Filmfare Awards.
It's prestigious and entertaining. More than anything, prestigious.
One word for life.
It's a roller coaster. Have to learn to live with it. When the ups are there, enjoy it. When the downs are there, try and hold on.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, actress Trisha joining us right now. Ever so gorgeous. What is the secret? Really, I have to ask you.
Good question. Because I have had all these food brands talk to me right now. And they're like, how are you staying fit while being such a foodie? But I think going to the gym consistently is the key.
Okay,
Right.
I have to ask you, you're back at the film fair. We see you, so regularly on the big screen. How exciting is it for you to be performing today? Are you ready? Are you nervous?
It is definitely I've been to Filmfare a lot of times, like you mentioned, but performing for the first time at Filmfare, so it's really exciting. I'm slightly nervous. I felt it in my stomach. I didn't know I was nervous, but the excitement is over the roof. So that's the overpowering emotion at the moment.
Okay, a very quick rapid fire. I'm going to play with you. One question, one word. I'll leave it to you. Okay, Kerala tourism, given that it's happening in Kerala.
Okay. Coconuts.
Okay, okay. Acting,
Passion.
dance,
Soul.
films,
Vision.
film fair.
Legacy.
Okay. My last question to you: love, life, and laughter. How do you see it?
Do I have to rank them? Or
Let's talk about it.
okay, love, life, and laughter. I think that's a very good motto line. Love, life, and laughter. Life is good as long as you laugh and you love people.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great night.